I'm Jason, I'm the branch manager here at Windsor Materials Handling for the Chelmsford branch, and today we're at our customer CWT Logistics down at Tilbury Docks. We've been working with CWT for 10 plus years now, and we've recently just installed 13 brand new Stihl RX60 forklift trucks. The operation down here at CWT, they're lifting coffee, they're also lifting timber, as you can see behind us. So all of the trucks have had to be built specifically to their needs. All of the trucks have got fork positioners on. We've got fork cameras because of the height that they're having to lift the timber up to. Helps them to get those forks straight into the holes that they need to be fitted within.
To be honest, you can tell they're a lot more advanced. I mean, based on all the trucks I've driven here before, there's normally you come across a lot more problems. But dealing with these Stihl ones, they seem quite versatile in how well they work. But they always seem quite smooth, easy to use as well. They're very comfortable to sit in, to be honest, especially when after I've jumped back on the other truck since, you even notice it even more how much difference there is.
Safety features: every time a new driver gets onto that truck, it will ask them a series of questions. Tyres, screens, are the forks okay? Is there any damage to the truck itself? Are the lights okay? It will do a whole ream of questions just to make sure every time someone new gets onto that truck, it's checked thoroughly.
Yeah, the new Fleet Manager safety system has been a great help, making sure that the lads are actually doing their checks properly. It gives me the chance to double check their work to make sure, and as well, in case they do have anything come up, it puts them into like a limp mode where they can't even use the truck fully without me getting it signed off after.
All of the operators have got their own fobs, so each time they get onto a truck, they tap themselves in, and back at HQ, they're able to log into the computer and see who's using each truck at which point. Trucks also have sensors built into them, so if they ever hit something solid, if there's anything that shakes that truck, the manager will be able to have a look and see if there's been any damage caused, has there been an accident, and they'll be able to monitor exactly what's going on with every truck that they've got here on site. And each truck also has a number on the back which corresponds with the charges that they'll be using also. It also makes life easier that if anyone ever needs to call our service team and get somebody to come down and service the truck or look at the truck, it's all numbered so that it can just be, need an issue with T6 can you get an engineer down? Brilliant, no problem at all, we can make that happen.
Yeah, working with Windsor's been really efficient, to be honest. Every time I need something looked at or repaired, I'll give them a call and then they get straight out to me. So it's always within that day, or if it's late on in that day, it'll be first thing in the morning. So it's always quite efficient and flows well. They've always been easy to work with.